Hi, my name is Petko Alexandrov and today I want to tell you about the Binance Trust Wallet. Many traders want to securely store their cryptocurrency, and in this 2-minute Binance Trust Wallet review I will explain how this Binance's option works. Trust Wallet is Binance's official crypto wallet. You can use it to safely send or receive crypto and store any type of crypto including BNB and Bitcoin. BNB is Binance's native cryptocurrency and it's built on the Binance blockchain. This blockchain is also called the Binance Smart Chain. It works with Ethereum tools like Metamask and Remix. So when you have BNB or other tokens in your Binance Trust Wallet, you can trade on the Binance DEX or engage with Smart Chain dApps. You can use this wallet to do that on either your Android phone or on your iOS device. This wallet is a software wallet, and in this Binance Trust Wallet review I will explain more about the benefits of that. For example, once you have installed it in your mobile device, you can operate it at any time. A software wallet like Trust Wallet also offers more privacy and security than a crypto exchange. That's because an exchange can be hacked at any time. In fact, several exchanges have been hacked in the past. It's not recommended that you store your crypto assets on an exchange in the long term because of this security risk. Trust Wallet supports all countries, and the only fees you have to pay are gas fees. Its built-in Web3 browser lets you purchase cryptocurrency via its native decentralized exchange. You can also stake your crypto coins to earn interest. I hope that my short Binance Trust Wallet review helped you to understand how the wallet works and how it can help you to store your cryptocurrency assets safely. If you enjoyed this video, please support my channel with a huge like, and I wish you a wonderful day.